I'm going to show you how to repair a section of tape that's been damaged. Now this section of tape, although it is broken and kicked off to the side, would not cause Fred to fail. He may shimmy a little as he goes over it, but it will still function. The next step is to cut out the section of tape. Go a little bit beyond the bad section. Then cut the tape as close as possible to the floor. The idea is you're going to have to stick this little tail back down. Now you have to clean the floor. I'm using alcohol here. It works very well, but you could also use simple green. The goal is to get the major debris off of the floor. You don't have to remove all the leftover adhesive, but make sure there's no oily residue left before you try to stick the new tape down. Now roll out a section of new tape just to get an idea how long a piece you need. Go a little bit extra, you can trim it off at the end. Now I'm using a heat gun here to heat the floor a little bit, mainly because it's January. I also heat the tape strip a little bit just to make it a little more pliable so I can get a nice radius when I put the piece down. Now peel the backing off, line it up at your start. Doesn't have to be perfect. A gap up to 3/4 of an inch is acceptable. Now lay it down, try to follow the arc. Got a little bit to cut off, trim it back, and push it down. Make sure it's tight on the floor. You can walk on this, you can roll a roller over it, whatever you need to do to keep it tight. Here's our finished piece. Notice there's a little gap there. Again, as long as it's less than 3/4 of an inch, you'll be fine. And that's your repair.